Hello everyone. Before we get started with this DIY, I want to share something with all of you. I have been thinking about a way for you to be part of this YouTube community, so I came up with an idea for you to vote for the next DIY you would like to see on this channel. This might be a little hard to envision, but the idea is to picture these sketches in your mind and how they can be made in real life. I will do my best to bring the selected sketch to life. So head to the link provided in the description box and vote for your favorite. Voting will be open for a couple of weeks. I cannot wait to see which of the sketches is selected so I can craft it and bring it to life. Here is the backstory for our project. I created this ornament last Christmas but didn't have enough time to post it. So this ornament inspired today's DIY. So let's get started. For this project we will use a wooden round, a wooden candle holder, a pencil holder, 6 wooden frames, an LED light, and other optional materials. First, I will make some markings on those wooden frames to cut them in half. Also, I will do a marking on this pencil holder right in the middle. Using this mini table saw, I will start by cutting around the pencil holder. Next, I will cut all 6 wooden frames right in the center, as you can see here. Now, using crazy glue for wood, I will attach the half wooden frames. This glue sets quickly and hardens after 24 hours. I decided to use 6 frames for the lamp, but it is up to you to use fewer or more wooden frames. Next, I will attach the lamp's tip using tacky glue. This is optional. I am using what I have on hand, but you can use a doorknob or something else. Off camera, I made a hole in the center of the wooden round, a groove for the cable, and a hole right through the candle holder, so I will glue these together. Now that this piece is nice and dried, I will paint it using this blue-gray acrylic paint. Next, I will cut a circle out of this piece of felt fabric for the lamp's bottom. You can do different things for the lighting. I will install this LED light, but you can use a battery-operated light like this. You can add other pieces to dim the light, such as this cracked glass light. I will pass the cable through the hole and weld it off camera, as I need to be in a ventilated area and look at it closely, so I'll be right back. Here is the light. It is all welded and working properly. I will place the cracked glass light so you can see what you can do. Next, I will glue that LED light to the base using hot glue. It is time to glue the cable and the group to make it flush. Now, I will attach the tip to the lamp using tacky glue, as you can see here. Here is the final reveal. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this lamp. So where will you place this lamp? I decided to place a glass chandelier piece to reflect the light. I had it in hand, but you can hand many other things. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.